2018 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power sunroof, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, security system, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, technology group, HD radio, overhead console. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.